The XM2005KHEV is a benchmark for successfully applying hybrid power technology to high-power construction machinery by decoupling the engine from traditional loads through electrification. The engine consistently operates in its optimal efficiency zone, achieving energy savings and noise reduction. Thanks to the motor's powerful torque reserve, the milling operation remains strong and efficient, making it the ideal solution for large-scale urban road milling. It features highly reliable high-voltage components with an ultra-long warranty, and its high-voltage system is safely enclosed and isolated within the engine compartment with comprehensive active and passive safety measures. Users can operate it with confidence and peace of mind. As the world's first hybrid 79-inch class road milling machine, it boasts a unique direct motor-driven milling system with multiple milling modes, enabling versatile operation with a single machine. For light-duty operations, it runs on pure electric power, while for heavy-duty tasks, it intelligently switches to hybrid mode, ensuring seamless and reliable operation. With industry-leading energy-saving control technology, it achieves 15% higher efficiency and reduces noise levels by 3 to 10 dBA, offering both cost savings and enhanced user experience. Designed with ample space and access for maintenance and servicing, it helps save time and effort, ensuring efficient upkeep.